Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to London. Current local time, 7:23 a.m. It'll take the captain just a few moments to taxi the aircraft to the gate. Once we are parked at the gate, we'll turn on the fasten seatbelt sign